Good morning, students. So in first part of decimals, we have covered the basics of decimals, the like and unlike decimals, decimal places, and how we draw a place value chart for the decimal. And also we have discussed the comparing of decimals. In this part, we'll start with the conversion of decimals. So conversion. There's two types of conversion. First, we'll discuss with when decimal conversion of decimal into fraction. Right? Suppose a number is given as 0.5. So, what we have to do is write 5 means the number which is given and write 1 in the denominator and put as many zeros as there are decimal places. Here only one decimal place is there, so put only 1 0, right? Suppose a number is given as 0.08. So what you have to do is write 8 and write 1 also in denominator. Put as many zeros as there are decimal places in the given number. So there are 2 decimal places, so put 2 zeros here. And if there is a number 0.225, so write the number only 225 divided by, write 1 in denominator and put as many zeros as there are decimal places. So there are 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, right? And we have to convert it into fraction. This is a fraction, but convert it into a simplest form. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So fraction in fraction 1 by 2. So 0.5 is written as 1 by 2. Here 4 2 ja 8, 4 25 ja 100. So you write it as 2 upon 25. Here divide it by 25. 25 9 ja 225 and 25 4 ja 100 and 0. That is 9 divided by 40, right? So these are the fractions of the given decimals. So right. So first thing is that you have to remember that if any decimal number is given, first write the decimal number. After that, write 1 in denominator and put as many zeros as the decimal places are written in the given number. Here only one number is written, means decimal place is there, so only 1 0 we have put it. Here there are 2 decimal places, so 2 zeros. Here there are 3 decimal places, so we put 3 zeros after 1, right? Let's come to conversion of fraction into decimal. So you know how to convert the fraction into decimal, means the universal method, you have to divide it only. Second, conversion of fraction into decimal, right? Suppose a number is given as 27 by 4 and one number is given in a mixed fraction, that is 2 whole 5 by 8, right? So apply the universal method, means just divide it. 27, that is divided by 4. 4 6 ja 24. 3 put decimal here, put 0 here. 4 7 ja 28, right? 2, then again put 0 here. 4 5 ja 20, right? So decimal, in decimal you can write it as 6.75, right? In this part, first you have to convert it into improper fraction. 8 2 just 16, 16 plus 5, 21. So 21 by 8. Then follow the same pattern. 21 is divided by 8. 8 2 just 16. The rest with 5, right? Put 0.086 ja 48. The rest remainder is 2. Put 0 here. 8 2 ja 16. Remainder is 4. 8 5 ja 40. So you can write it as 2.625, right? So this is the method of conversion of fraction into decimals. Let's discuss some questions. So question is, express as rupees, right? Suppose first part is given as 536 paise, and in second part if it is given as 25 rupees 38 paise. So we know that in 100 paise equals 1 rupees, right? So there is 536 paise. So we have to convert it into a bigger unit. So divide it by 100. So 536 divided by 100 equals 5.36, and that is rupees. Alright, this is the answer. And this part we have to express it in rupees. This is also given as rupees, so we have to convert it only 38 paise. So 25.38, 38 paise means 38 divided by 100, that equals 0.38. Add it to it, so 25.38 rupees. And some more questions are there, like you have to express as meter and kilometer, right? Suppose this is given as 25 centimeter and you have to convert it into meter and kilometer, or question is asked, you have to convert it into kg, given as 320 grams or 6425 grams, right? So you have to know the conversion, means kg to gram, gram to kg, and you know 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, right? So divided these numbers by 1000, and in this part you know 100 centimeter equals 1 meter, right? And 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, right? So first you have to divide it by 100, you know how many meters are there, and after that divide it by 1000, you will convert to 1 kilometer. I am leaving this part to you, that solve this part and send me the solution. So students, we have covered the part basics of decimals and conversions of decimals. In next video, means addition, multiplication and division, we'll cover it in one by one videos. So till then, practice the mathematics. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you and take care.